So I think that's a real pain point that we mustn't underestimate, and a lot of people get it wrong. That concept of not having a succession plan, and succession is quite a wide, there's a wide definition, Anthony. And if you think about it, it's not only about your voluntary exit or your retirement; it's about sort of your involuntary exit, whether it's disability or death. And I think the consequence of it is, if you're not planning for it, you're going to just take what you get. We've recently dealt with a deceased estate of a business owner who actually died interstate. A very successful business owner, he had a construction company, and he died without a will. And you would think, oh, it's not going to happen. But here he is, he died without a will. He's left his estate now to be unwound in terms of interstate succession law to his wife, his 3 children, and a stepchild. And it's created huge complexities, not only in terms of the distribution of the wealth, but also in terms of exiting the business. And leaving the executor, who happened to be his wife in terms of interstate law, who had to appoint an agent to now go and find a buyer for that business, negotiate with the other partners, get the maximum value. It really, Anthony, it creates a lot of anxiety and a lot of pain. And so I think the motto there is just plan for it. Make sure you've got a properly drafted will, not a vanilla will that you take off the shelf or you get from a bank. Make sure that it talks to you, to your family, to your wishes, and then update that. And I think that's where the concept of, we've all spoken about it, working on your business. It's a continual journey. This concept of planning, whether it's in your business or whether it's in your wealth or whether it's your family planning, you're not doing it once off. It's not like a destination. It's an ongoing journey. And having a guide walk that journey with you is going to help you, I think, spot the blind spots or identify blind spots, look at the gaps and get you to do action. And I think that talks to your question around structuring your affairs and having that estate planner. Can I just add another comment, just as I'm thinking about it? It's often what we don't talk about with business owners is that retirement. And I think one of the pitfalls we've seen at BDO, and particularly, is where business owners believe that their business is their retirement plan. And that's great if you've got a plan for it. And if you don't, you're taking a chance. And so I think, again, it's that whole concept of planning. It's actually putting into motion, what are you going to do with the business? If it is going to be a retirement, what does that mean? Who's the buyer? What's going to happen with the management? Who's going to take that over? And so there's a depth of, I suppose, plans and actions that need to be taken to make that a reality.